Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will see about quarter over quarter profit growth percentage. Okay, so here you can see this is our orders table and this is our date table. Okay, so from order table, we want quarter over quarter profit growth percentage. So here 2011 to 2014 data available and this is the month. Okay. So I have written a DAX function that is dateadd. Okay. What dateadd function returns? Dateadd function returns the profit, the data till the previous year, quarter or month. Till the previous year, quarter or month. Okay. So here I have written var. What is var? Var is variable. If you have learned any other programming languages, you will be you will know that var. Okay. Then what is this? This is variable name. Here you can put any other name. Okay. So I have taken a variable. So I am what is variable doing? Variable is just a container which uh, contains some data. Okay. So here variable previous year previous quarter profit. So then it is calculating total profit then date add. So what dated function doing? Dated function calculating the till the previous quarter data. So here you have seen I have written date table date -1 then quarter. So -1 means till the previous quarter and the return type is quarterly data I want. Then I am returning the variable. Then I am dividing total profit minus previous quarter profit with it previous quarter profit. So what this thing means? Total profit minus previous quarter profit. That means if we minus total profit minus previous year profit, previous quarter profit, then it will return this quarter profit. Okay. So I am dividing this quarter profit with previous quarter profit. Then it will return the profit growth percentage. Okay. Profit growth percentage. So this thing variable till thing this it will be returning the previous quarter data and I am doing minus from total profit minus previous quarter profit. It is returning this quarter profit and I am dividing this quarter profit with previous quarter profit. Then it is returning me the quarter over quarter profit growth percentage. So if we run it, then I want 2012 data and then January it is coming on quarter one. Here you can see it's in negative. So I want 2011 data. In 2011 data, you can see it is coming from quarter two. Why from quarter two? Because the data set is containing data from quarter two. From quarter one, there is no data available. So it is comparing some data is available, but it is not showing here. So like January, February, March. So February data is available. So it is comparing some data from January and some data from February. Okay, like this. So if we take 2012 data, here you can see it is comparing 2000 quarter one to quarter one with quarter two. Okay, so here it goes like this. Okay, so I think this video is enough. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Please like my videos, share it among your friends. And if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Okay? Support my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.